Smells like poo in here.
Stop pooing.
What's up, guys? We're coming to you from the future. We're a couple videos behind when we did the whole computer upgrade. I hope you like the new 4K quality on the GoPro 7. And I just wanted to say that there's a video coming out of a list race, kind of like Street Outlaws. Clayton raced in it, and it's going to be coming out tomorrow after you see this video, I think, anyways, unless the computer explodes. We're putting that out ahead of the timeline just because the next race is happening this weekend, and we want to give local people a chance to see what happened at the last race, and it just needs to get out. So we're going to catch up on those videos. Hopefully it'll be daily videos for a while for you guys. And to make sure you don't miss out, hit that notification bell. You can see only 15% of you have done it, so there's definitely room for more to be notified. Today's video had a corrupt file at the beginning where Rob kind of explained some things, so we're just going to kind of redo that right now, and then we'll continue on with the footage we had already of putting these fancy wheels in Rob's S10.
Yeah, so we should do that now, I guess.
All right, guys, so in the last video, or one of the last videos, I had test fit those wheels on the S10, and I had talked about how I wanted to buy some aftermarket wheels. So after that, I had done some kind of looking around and see if I could find anything for a decent price, and I came across these wheels that I actually ended up buying, which you would have seen me unbox in the clip had the clip not become corrupted. So anyways, what I ended up buying is these here wheels. I bought them from Jegs. They're a 15x8. And they have 4.5-inch back spacing, I believe. I don't quite remember. I'm not 100% sure. You know what? Just hold on, I'll get the box.
While Rob's up in the ceiling there, I just wanted to say, I don't think it's even been mentioned in a video, but thanks guys for 25K subs. We gotta do a video or like some sort of official deal for that, but it's pretty crazy. I mean, that's definitely one of the milestones that I look forward to, and 100K is next, I suppose.
All right, guys, so here's the box. They're Jegs.
And a fart.
That was Mike, by the way, that fart, if you heard it. That was Mike. Okay, so this is what they are. SS Star polished, 15x8, 4.5-inch back spacing. Don't mind the made in China part. These wheels were like $94 American a piece, which is crazy because they're actually a really, really nice wheel. They're made by a company called Vision Wheels. Summit sells the same ones, except they're Summit brand. They have a cool center cap like that. It had a Jegs little logo on it, but I took them off. And so I mounted them up on these, and they actually fit really good, which you'll see them in the video, rest of the video that was shot before. But yeah, I'm really happy with them. I really like them on the truck. And like I said, you'll see them shortly on the truck and see how they look. So let's get on with the video. All right, so they say to test fit them before you put the tires on and that. So here you go. Test them. I got lots of clearance on the inside. Definitely lots of clearance around the brakes, calipers, and all that. I think those look pretty good. So now we'll get to mounting these tires up and see what they look like. All right, so there they are all mounted up. They look pretty good. So let's get them on the truck and see how they look. All right, guys, I got them on. And before I show you, I gotta say it looks pretty sick. They fit perfect. I'll take you to the back, show you the back view first. What do you guys think? I think that looks crazy. From this side, you can probably see better look of the fronts with the backs. I think that looks pretty cool. And it's laid out all the way. They still clear, they don't rub. They're close. I can still get my hand in here. Here, oh, it's actually touching right there a little bit. Let's see, I can actually give the wheel well a little pull. Plus I can also trim the edge, but I mean, when I have these tires on, I'm not gonna like drag it anyways. See this one, yeah, there's more clearance on this side and up there. I just want to be able to like lay it out when it's like this. I'm not going to drive it like low like this with these tires. I just want the ability to park and lay it out like that. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Pretty happy with that. I think they look super cool. I am debating on buying like the 17-inch matching ones for the front to put skinnies on when I want to race it, but I don't know. These are 18s. I think they look pretty cool. We'll have to see what it looks like on the street. All right, what's up, guys? So it's actually a really nice day today. As you can see, I got the door open. It's finally starting to get warm. It's supposed to stay warm from the forecast, if you believe forecasts. So today we're gonna do some work on the Jimmy. Plan for the Jimmy, first off, is thermostat. So I got a 180 thermostat. Everybody says the 160 obviously is no good. But of course, now that it's warm out, if I keep the fan off, it does heat up. So that 160 that's in there now does work better than the old 160. But when it gets cool out, it doesn't really make heat. So got this 180 right here. It's part number if you need one. And then I ended up ordering this thermostat. It's from Spectra Performance. I'm hoping it's going to be good. Here's the part number for that. Aluminum water neck. I don't know. I probably should have just bought a cheap stock one, but it does look cool, so hopefully it'll work good. And yeah, so let's put it on. I'm doing this outside because it's nice. So as you can see, thermostat still leaking. So we're going to change that out and hopefully fix her up. I got the antifreeze draining out a bit there. Oh, it actually stopped. Take the cap off. There it goes. Don't need to drain out too much. I was just driving it, but it cooled off. Alright guys, so I got it off and I made a huge freaking mess, of course. But I'm going to use this to scoop some of this antifreeze. I want to waste it, except for whatever that dirt is in there. This works pretty good. I'll get this cleaned up and get ready to put the new one on. Alright, so I got it cleaned up. We're going to put the thermostat, and I see it has like a, if you look there, that's actually like a bleed hole right there, which is means it's a good kind of thermostat, I guess. And this has an O-ring in it, so I'm not going to put silicone and hope that it works. And this is a two-piece, so it rotates, so you can put it wherever you need to, which is pretty cool. So you want to turn it this way or this way. Yeah. We'll tighten her all up and get the hose back on. I got it all together. The only thing I had to do is I couldn't use the Allen bolt on this one because of the bracket, so hopefully it should be okay. We'll fire it up and see. It warmed up to about 180 and the thermostat went on, and now it's climbing again. I don't have the fan on. Let's see if we have heat. Oh, it's starting to feel warm. Oh yeah, there's heat coming now. Definitely. She's sitting at 180 and we got heat. Well, I'll turn the fan on and hopefully we're going to be good. So far not leaking, so let's hope it doesn't. There is pressure in there and there's no leak, so as far as the heat goes, I don't know. It still seems that it could be better, but I haven't driven it either, so maybe there's still air in there, or maybe the heater core's plugged. I don't know, but whatever, it's summer, so who cares. We'll worry about that later. We're gonna end it today, and then in the next video we will get back to work on the Nova. Maybe have some video of the truck out on the street, hopefully. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll check you later.